All right, Dad, guys, go with the blues here. We're doing a Croque Monsieur. It's like a French toast with ham, and turkey. I'm going to put a nice glaze on it on the broiler. So I have some nice Swiss. That's a nice turkey. Spread it out. I don't know what the recipe calls for it, but I'm going to use a little bit of Dijon. Okay, just to spike up the flavor a little bit. I know I'm going to get a lot of slack, but a little bit of American, because we want it to be good, American style. But I know this is a serious French recipe. I know I'm going to hear about it, but you know what? C'est la vie, as they say. I'm going to get some eggs. A little bit of salt. I'm just going to get a fork here. Whisk it real good. Whisk it good. Dun, dun. Oh no, that's whip it.
That's whip it.
Okay. I want to make sure it's get a little air whipped into it. So, you know what? A little more cheese on here. I mean, turkey breast. So we're going straight butter here. We're not going to mess with any olive oil in there. Okay, we don't want it too hot, because we want to get that. We want it nice so the egg won't stick. But at the same time, you know, we want to make sure it cooks all the way through. We don't want to cook it on the outside too much. Too quickly, I should say. Just like French toast at home. But it's a savory French toast. Alright, I'm going to pop, what I'm going to do is a little Parmesan on top for now. Another layer of flavor in the oven. In a about a 3.25 oven. Okay, let it go nice and slow in there. Nice, bake nicely, probably about 15 minutes, 10 minutes. We'll be right back. Alrighty, right. So, yeah, you can smell smell the goodness of it, but let's check the other side. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So, I'm just going to give it another 5 minutes in the oven. It's been in 10. Just kind of slow bake it. Make sure that inside gets nice and hot. We'll be right back.
Okay.
All right, so here we go. And really, croque madame is just with a turkey and a little cheese sauce over the top. So this is what I'm going to do here. Check out the Kentucky hot brown recipe. Do a quick cheese sauce. It really calls for Gruyere, you know, French. We got a little bit of hodgepodge. We Americanized it just a little bit. Under the broiler, just brown it up real nice. All right, B, showtime.
You beat me to it.
Okay. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Okay. That's a Croque Monsieur. Usually doesn't have the cheese sauce, but I said we're going to do the cheese sauce. A lot of times it's powdered sugar on top, believe it or not. They garnish it with like half a peach, canned peach, with some raspberry jelly. That's how they normally classically serve.
So is it kind of almost like the French version of like a Monte Cristo?
Yep.
I love the toast on the bread.
Oh yeah.
It comes right in.
Justin, you want to try this? Lucy, I need you back here for a second. What'd you call it, B?
Huh?
What'd you call it?
The French version of a Monte Cristo.
Yeah, Monte Cristo, yeah. It's a Monte Cristo sandwich. Hey, Luz. Just in time, just in time.
I always stage this just
Croque
right, I think. Oh my
Monsieur.
god.
It's a kind of combination Croque Monsieur, Croque Madame.
Woo!
It's got turkey, ham, a little Dijon mustard inside. It's got Swiss,
Hello.
and it's got a little American cheese. We Americanized it.
What's on top here? Is this bread?
It's French, like a French
Oh, so a
toast.
croque monsieur. Nice. That is really good. Really good.
Who's that say? Who's that TV personality? They say Flavor Town.
Well,
That
you
guy?
just took us to Flavor Town,
Huh?
so
Guy Fieri, Guy Fieri.
that might be
That's
copyrighted.
Flavor Time. My baby here
Wow.
just showed up. Working the floor tonight,
Come on in.
holding it down.
Yeah.
Huh? Hit the floor running, Lucy.
That's right.
She does not sit around. She get her done. Huh? You're early.
Always. Well, actually, no, I'm always right on time, but.
Right on time. Hey, 5 minutes early is right on time where I come from.
Thanks, Dad.
Hi, babe. Love you, honey.
Love you too.
Hey, Jess, go with the blues. Man, push away from this one. Push away from the table. Hey, Jax, go with the blues here. Glenn Peltier on camera. Paula missing out. Our taste tester. But don't forget Orsini Sausage Company. Paula Orsini Peltier. And Glenn, they're running this third generation sausage company here. And we're up next. We're doing a Capone pizza. Be sure to tune in. I kind of came up with all what they put in like a Chicago sandwich, you know, the roast beef and hot peppers, and we're doing like gangster style. We're going to put a little bit of hot Italian, Orsini's hot Italian sausage, supersada, onions, and a little bit of red pepper flake. But anyway, check us out on Soundwaves magazine, swaves.com. I write an article every month. We got 2 channels, Cooking with the Blues, and then we got the Chaplin's Classics, Chaplin's restaurant page up on the other channel we have up on YouTube. Check it out. Please share. It's all grassroots, no major media exposure. And so Glenn can't do without you. We just got a new camera upgraded, and man, the plates are popping. Peace. Want some more?